We are heading to Palatine Hill, and then right behind me is the Arch of Titus, and then we just came through Jupiter's temple, so we're gonna go check out Palatine Hill real quick so you can get a good shot of the city from up here, then head back down for our tour of the Colosseum and the Forum. Palatine Hill, located in Rome, Italy, is one of the most ancient parts of the city. Rome was actually built around 7 hills. Palatine Hill is considered to be the birthplace of Rome and has a rich history dating back over 3,000 years. In this video, we will explore the fascinating past of this historic site. From up here, the Colosseum is right behind that wall. So from up here, where all the houses used to be during the Roman times, you'd be able to hear the cheers and roars, maybe even the screams coming from the Colosseum. It's pretty interesting how it's so high up here. The first settlements on Palatine Hill can be traced back to 10th century BC during the Iron Age. The first inhabitants were most likely shepherds who took advantage of the fertile land and natural protection of the hill. Over time, more people began to settle on the hill, forming small villages and communities. According to Roman mythology, Palatine Hill is the site where Romulus and Remus, the twin brothers who founded Rome, were found and raised by a she-wolf. It is also believed that Hercules lived on the hill before founding the city of Rome. During the 7th century BC, Palatine Hill became an important center for trade and commerce due to its strategic location overlooking the Tiber River. This led to the rise of wealthy families who built luxurious homes on the hill, establishing it as a desirable place to live. As Rome grew in power and influence, emperors began constructing grand palaces on Palatine Hill. Augustus, the first emperor of Rome, had a palace built on the hill, followed by later emperors such as Tiberius, Caligula, and Nero. These palaces were known for their lavish architecture and extravagant gardens. In the fall of the Roman Empire, Palatine Hill fell into decline and was largely abandoned. It wasn't until the 16th century that interest in the hill was reignited, with excavations uncovering the remains of ancient palaces and structures. Today, Palatine Hill is a popular tourist destination and is a testament to the rich history of Rome. Palatine Hill continues to hold significance in modern time and is home to various museums and archaeological sites that offer insight into ancient Roman life. The hill also serves as a symbol of the enduring power and influence of the Roman Empire. It is a must-visit for anyone interested in history, architecture, or simply looking to experience the beauty and grandeur of ancient Rome. From its humble beginnings as a settlement on a hill to becoming the center of power for one of the greatest empires in history, Palatine Hill has stood the test of time and continues to fascinate and inspire people from all over the world. So let's continue to marvel at the wonders of Palatine Hill and honor its legacy by preserving and cherishing it for generations to come. After all, history is what shapes us, and Palatine Hill is a perfect example of how a small hill can hold such immense power and significance in shaping the world we know today. So don't just visit Palatine Hill, experience it, and let its ancient stories and mysteries transport you to a time long ago. The journey through history awaits you on top of Palatine Hill.